Hello students, today after many days, I was very busy. After many days I am back to my YouTube channel and hopefully in this new year I will be coming contents regularly. Now, today what I will be doing, I will be discussing the paper of mock test which was taken at my institute called PSR, right? At this institute I have taken one test. So that paper, this is the institute PSR, right? So it was a 100-mark paper and it was for the students of ICSC 2023. Those will be appearing in this Feb March. So as you know, section A comprises 40 marks. So first we will be discussing the MCQ part, right? So the correct answer, write the correct option. Act of representing essential features without background details. Answer will be abstraction. It is better if you write your answer like this. You give the choice also and then you write abstraction. Both the thing if you write, that is better, or simply A will is also okay. Data type used to hold non-numeric variable. This many students have written this. So you should be careful about small letters in that. Data type is actually char. This character is a class. That's the example of relational operator. This one greater than or less than sign. The package which is imported automatically. Lang is the package which is imported automatically. Then math.sil. Many students have done this error. Math.sil, this will give you minus 12.0. Now math.power 100, 1 by 2. Most students have done the square root of 10, but 1 by 2 will give you 0. आप लोग को 0 देगा, तो 10 का power 0 is 1. So plus 1 you will get minus 11. So this will be your answer. Many students have lost their marks here. Anyone who doesn't know this question paper, you will find this paper in my website www.azamansari.com, and I may upload in my app also, right, whose link you will get in my YouTube channel. This paper is available here and also in my app AZAM Ansari computer classes. Now number 6, n equals to a mod 2. Condition, what is the value of a is first is 20. So 20 is even. So condition is right, you will get 10. 11 is odd, condition is wrong, you will get 100. So the best option is C. Right? Let us move to the next page. We have to do from number 6. Number 6 we have done. I think I have done this one. Find the odd one. This is the infinite loop, this is the infinite loop, and this is the infinite loop. But actually this is not an infinite loop. At a certain time this condition will become wrong. So this will be the answer. Array int I think holds 4 bytes. So 4 5s are 20. 4 is an example of exit control, entry control, infinite, finite. I have gone with entry control. Some students have told me that finite can also, but with 4 you can also have an infinite loop. So finite will not be there. Give the output of the following. Here, see at the end the semicolon is there. This loop runs twice, I, 1, 2. Finally, when I becomes 3, it comes out of the loop and it is printed. So option is B. A method which changes the state of an object. A method which changes the state of an object. That is impure. That is impure. Now, char C, 100, right? 97 is small a, 98, 99, 100. A, B, C, D. So your option is D. Your option is D. Now, the punctuator that is used as a terminator, semicolon is used as a terminator, means all work done, khatam. The function used to find position of a character in a string. In this, the best is index of. We have another last index of function, but here index of. The output of double dot pass double 23.45 will give you 23.45 minus 23 will give you 0.45. So this is the option. Let us move ahead. Now we have to conclude this. this one we have done, function this one. The output of double, this one also we have done. A method to convert a character to lower case. A method to convert a character to lower. Now a character is converted to lower case using this. This is the method, but someone is confused. They are saying to lower case is the method, character is the class, but character is the class, but along with this class we have this method. So best option goes this one. Third cell of an array, you know array starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. So third cell is A2. Muhammad Azam Ansari, my name. Dot substring 4, 7. This is 0, this is 1, this space is 2, A is 3. So this 4, 5, 6, this space is again 7. So for 4, 5, 6 you have jam. Now this one, many one has done wrong. A dot length they have given 5, but no 5. In array, length function does not have bracket. So this is an error. This one, I have also done mistake while checking, I forgot. Int I less than 10, I plus plus semicolon. Now, again this loop runs 10 times, and when I becomes 11, it will come here. But since I is declared in the loop, it cannot be printed outside, so you will get an error. So you will have this answer as syntax error. So this is the MCQ part, a little tough paper, right? So if you work hard for this type of paper, your ICSE will go smoothly. Now let us go to question 2, right? Just a minute. Yeah. Here also I have done, my paper was little tricky, but still some students have done very good, scored 96, 97, 92, 90, and some have fared badly. Output of the following: string S human, comma, X is Bing, right? A semicolon is not there. One student told sir semicolon missing, so error. If you find confusion like this, you write semicolon missing error, but if it is assumed to be correct, then the output should be this. See, S dot compared to X, H and B, the difference between H and B is C, D, E, F, G, H. C, D, E, F, G, H. That is 6. Right? Index of I 0, 1, 2. 6 plus 2 you will get 8. And substring 0 will give you human. So you will get 8 human. 8 human. Now, number 2. Whenever you get questions like this, x equals to x minus, you put a bracket. Due to this bracket, many have lost their marks. 8 minus again 8, again 8, then 7. So you this 8 gone, you have 8 minus 15, you have minus 7. If you are getting minus 7, you are getting marks, otherwise you are not getting marks. What do you understand by unboxing? Conversion of object into its primitive data type is known as unboxing, or you go through the definition from your book, but student didn't give any example. Example is must, example देना चाहिए था. Now Java expression math.pow a comma 4, this plus this line is math.abs. Many have missed, and I have given marks to some. I will write it here. Math.pow a comma 4 plus math.abs. Why this abs? This for these two line minus 5 plus x into math.pow again. Now here math.pow of y, many have given just 3 by 2. You use 3 by 2.0. Okay, 3 by 2, your marks may be deducted. Bracket then math.sqrt. Many students have experimented math.pow half. Why to experiment? Use math.sqrt for this root over. Now this question, 31 by 2, first division, you will get 15. 15 into 8 plus 14 into 5, 70. 70 by 6, 70 by 6, 11. Minus 7 by 17, minus 17. So it gives you 0. You have 120 plus 11 minus 0, 131 will be your answer. What happens here? Multiply, divide, modulo, all are having same preference. Whichever comes first, that is executed. Now, let us move to the last part. Char 2, 0, 1, 2. Everybody wrote 1, but we have written one int. तो इस 1 का ASCII कोड हो जाएगा 49. Tutorial.last index of L 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only one L is there. Still for confusion I have given this 7. A2 plus A4 0, 1, 2. Right? A4 3, 4. 78 and 23 is 101. String A is good to Azad dear. A1 dot char at 1. A1 0, 1. A1 is this, char at 1 is Z, small z, right? And A2 is char at 2, 0, 1, 2, small d. Small d is again A, B, C, D, 97, 98, 99, 100. Then this is, I think I am doing something wrong. Just a minute. A1, A2 dot char at 2, A2, 0, 1, 2. This A, 97, sorry. 97 लेना पड़ेगा. Because you have A1, A1 is Azad. So in Azad you are getting A1, Z. Right? Z is 122. And again in A2 char at 2, A2 is this, char at 2 is this. Right? Sorry. Char at 2 is this, A, 0, 0, 1, 2. So you are getting 97. Total is 219. Math.rend, you will get 18.0. Many have written 18, I have given marks, but better 18.0. क्या करता है? पढ़ो. Math.abs, math.seal तुमको क्या देगा? -5, abs उसको पॉजिटिव बना देगा 5.0. तो this was the section 1. I have tried to discuss section 1 first. Still, if anyone wants elaborate explanation, they can contact me via my app or if they know my center there. Now, once little bit discussion I will be doing regarding the second part. I may not be doing just what they have done mistake and where. What precautions you should have taken. Right. First one, see what I have done, I have not given return type. ये लोग confused है सब के सब. Right, you know what is class लिखा, right? Quadratic, maybe my spelling is wrong, right? Design a class quad, देखो यहाँ भी wrong, capital बोला तो you also write capital, right? Declare the variables. What is parameterized constructor? Parameterized constructor बहुत जन RDATIC. In parameterized constructor, you take variables int x, int y. Student have done int x, int y, int z. That is wrong. Go through the parameterized video. Then you can understand a equals to x, b equals to y, and c equals to z. This part is done. Void read करना था. Void read. खाली read लिख दिया. Void read में you use scanner or input. Done. Void compute. I am not explaining that. You first calculate this. See what I have done. I have used one data member root. तुमको क्या करना है? यहाँ root variable है जो पहले से declared है. What you do? You calculate d. तुम सबसे पहले d निकालेगा. हाँ, double d int d, b into b minus 4 into a into c. Now if your d is less than 0, it is imaginary. Print कर दो. If d is 0, then equal root. You have to print this and calculate this. स्टूडेंट लोग मिस्टेक क्या किया? 2/a को ब्रैकेट में नहीं रखा है. दे शुड कीप दैट. एंड इफ d इज ग्रेटर देन 0, यू राइट रियल रूट्स. इट इज नॉट गिवन. इफ यू डोंट गिव रियल रूट्स ऑल्सो, रूट को पहले निकालो, यूज द फॉर्मूला, एक बार प्लस यूज करो, प्रिंट कर दो. देन अगेन यू कैलकुलेट रूट. नाउ यू यूज माइनस. सो फर्स्ट रूट यू आर कैलकुलेटिंग, यू आर प्रिंटिंग. Again you are root calculating, you are printing, right? And then while creating object, what you have done, quadratic OB equals to new quadratic. You have read function, but you need to pass three values. Anything 0, 0, 0, a, b, when x, y, sorry, any variable but not variable, better use 8, 9, 10, anything you need to pass. Okay. Second one, I have written overloading function number. ICSE में ऐसा नहीं आएगा, में all return types will be given, right? So Nelson number, many students found problem that I may do, right? So where to do? Just a minute. Let me see end of the page. We have Nelson. This sorting and this little bit explanation is there. Yeah. See. First one, void number. Duck number I am not doing. You try your logic. In duck number, you take one int n. Right? Again in Nelson, in void number, it's better you take long n or long m, nothing is given. Right? Int d equals to m mod 10. Int d equals to m mod 10. Int c equal to 0, comma t equal to 0, comma suppose e I have taken. Now here one casting is required because this is long, so तुमको इसको type cast करना पड़ेगा. Now use one while loop. While n is greater than 0, sorry m, e equals to m mod 10. Now if d and e are equal, I am looking for similarity. ये d क्या है? Last digit. I am counting it as t plus plus, and c plus plus is number of digit, and m equals to m by 10. This is how many times they are similar, this is counting. You now check if c is greater than equal to 3, more than 3 digit I have told, and t equal to c. It's Nelson. It's Nelson, else not. Right? In main you call, when you are calling, if you are calling void number 32, void number 588, for long you just write one L. When you create an object, that part I am not telling, I am just telling the logic part. Now, descending order of marks, students have done mistake, they have greater than के जगह less than था. When you are sorting, if you are sorting your name array, sorry, marks array, 3 line for swapping of marks array, 3 line for swapping of name array. ये बहुत जन मिस किया, ये बहुत जन मिस किया. I think that should have been avoided by them. Right? Double array, confused. Why double array but double data type of size 20? Question से समझो, double array मत दो and find maximum in odd subscript and minimum. मतलब जो even 0, 1, 2 है उसमें से निकालना है, सॉरी 0, 2, 4 सबस्क्रिप्ट में से even है, उसमें से मिनिमम और ऑड में से मैक्सिमम. आई डोंट नो, मैनी हैव डन रॉन्ग. इसका हम थोड़ा सा वर्किंग बता देंगे. राइट? तुम लोग बहुत में वीडियो पॉज करके गंदा हैंड राइटिंग देख लेना. सो सॉरी फॉर माई बैड हैंड राइटिंग. जैसे कि देखो, इसमें मैक्स इक्वल्स आफ्टर टेकिंग एरे, मैक्स किस में निकालना है? इन ऑड नंबर्स. तो a1 min इक्वल्स टू a0, इसके लिए भी मार्क्स गया है. एक लूप, वाई स्टूडेंट्स वेर कंफ्यूज, लेस देन 10 i प्लस प्लस. इफ i इज इवन, if I is even, then you are checking for max. If ai greater than max, max equals to a of A of I. Done, no need to print here. Else part में minimum check कर लो. That I'm not going to do. Minimum check, minimum loop के बाहर print कर दो. Done, हो गया. अब इतना सा थोड़ा change if you cannot understand, how you will score 100? Right? Students need to score 100 upon 100. This is such a good subject. In 2019, 47 students scored 100 out of 100. Out of, you can say, 150 to 160 students appearing. So again, we have offline mode of exam. Papers will be definitely easy. You work upon your mistakes and try to improve. Initial of a name you find in many books. Once see that, I'm not telling. Convert small letter to capital, capital to small. See, sentence दिए हैं तो you should check whether ये character is alphabet or not. Then you should check for small letter and capital letter change. How to change? You have character dot to uppercase, character dot to lowercase. Then you have a logic of C plus equals to 32 character wala. Right? So these two I'm not doing. This one was new, right? This one, calculate the value. See, menu driven not told don't do, right? This was told menu driven in the question. When I told later on you should do in a menu driven. So in menu driven, not necessarily your cases will be A and B. Press 1 for initial and 2 for case change. Case 1 में sentence enter करो काम करो. Case 2 में sentence enter करो काम करो. दोनों में sentence है, you can take in the beginning also. Total you always. This one separate program, this one separate program. Here x equals to minus 5, x is less than equal to 11, x plus plus. Fault, nobody has done typecasting. Double s equals to double, this is required. X into x plus y into y within bracket x minus y within bracket. Print inside the loop. हो गया खत्म 7.5 marks. This part you can use method, you cannot, or in one loop also you can do. I'm not, let me, this part also let me discuss many, because my method will be of one loop. One is even odd. See, I am doing in sort. Assume you have to input x only, nothing else. I is 1, I is less than equal to 5, 5 terms are there. You take f1, this is your factorial. You take p also 1, all int. S equals to s plus, your s should be double. Just a simple and short explanation of the whole paper. Elaborately you come in the class, right? I'll do it, or maybe in the app I can do it. S equals to s plus, right? You have math.pow x comma, here you just do I into 2. ये थोड़ा logic था. This is 1, this is 2, this is 2, this is 4, this is 3, double. तो हम I into 2 कर दिए, नीचे f, right? Into what I have done, into p. नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव बहुत जन I mod 2 करके भी कर सकता है. हम एक p को 1 ले लिए, उसको हम बार बार एक नेगेटिव नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. आई विल मल्टीप्लाई इट विद अ नेगेटिव नंबर. सो मेरा ये एक बार प्लस होगा, एक बार माइनस होगा. दिस इज इनटू p, दिस इज f इनटू p. नाउ you print it. This was a bit difficult one, and others were common things. Nelson was tricky, right? Variable description, many have forgotten how to give variable description also. You should give, right? Variable type use. Variable में क्या लिखना है? जो variable तुम use किया A, B, C, D, N, Y, Z, type integer double string. किस लिए N holds number, right? S holds sentence or S holds sums, whatever. Right? Still, if you find problem with this, try to get connected with me via different mediums in my YouTube channel. In 2023, I will be coming with more videos on class 10 in my app also on different topics. Also, those are paid, and with class 9 also. Okay, work hard. Till then, bye bye, tata.